Here we go again. I gotta pay these bills, save something. I need 10 more hours in a day. And when I'm feeling stuck, something else comes up. Sometimes I wanna have fun, but I can't. Got problems that I'm dealing with. So many mistakes I made. I'm living with so many. But I gotta find a way to make it through today. I'm leaning on a song that says everything's gonna be okay. Oh.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. This is Courageous K. And if you like my content, feel free to like, share, subscribe, click the notification down below, that bell thingy on the right, so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Today I'll be reviewing the Bohemian Goddess box braid, and this video is sponsored by Leeven from Amazon. Thank you guys for reaching out to me. Without further ado, let's get to it. I received 6 packs of hair, each has a total of 22 strands. This is my braiding pattern. I did some individual plaits to give me the individual braiding look. As always, I'll begin crocheting from the back of my hair, and I'll be doing the regular crochet method throughout the entire hair. Also, I'll be using the end of the crochet needle to pull the end of the braid through, because the loop on the braids is a little tight and it was giving me problems to use my ends. So consider that in mind if you decide to check the hair.
Tell me who's the saddest one of them all. Mirror, don't lie. Will I ever find somebody to love in my life? Don't lie. I've been looking all over the world, searching every jungle, cause I'm hoping for something. I've been thinking about it every night. Yes, I'm moving closer and you better know one thing. I'm gonna find true love. I'm gonna find true love. Someone that I can trust. Yes, I'm gonna find somebody. Somebody to love, cause I've given everything that I have, and still I can't find no one. I'm starting to believe everything that people said about love isn't gonna work for me. Cause I need somebody to love, just want somebody to love, cause I need somebody to love, do you know somebody? Cause I need somebody to love, just want somebody to love, cause I need somebody to love, do you know somebody? Mirror on the wall, tell me who's the baddest one of them all. Mirror, don't you lie. Will I ever get to feel true love in my life? Don't lie. Been looking all over the world, searching every devil, cause I'm hoping for something. I've been thinking about it every night. Yes, I'm moving closer and you better know one thing. I'm gonna find true love. I'm gonna find true love. Someone that I can trust. Yes, someone, somebody. Oh, need somebody to love, cause I've given everything that I have, and still I can't find no one. I'm starting to believe everything that people said about love isn't gonna work for me. I think cause I need somebody to love, just want somebody to love, cause I need somebody to love, do you know somebody? Cause I need somebody to love, just want somebody to love, cause I need somebody to love, do you know somebody? I don't want diamonds or rubies, I don't want houses or land. Give me the money to fly on the G5, a G5. I don't want diamonds or rubies, I don't want houses or land. Give me the money to fly on the G5, a G5. I don't want no diamonds, or rubies, I don't want no pearls, houses or land. Can't you see I'm give me the money to fly on the G5, looking, baby, I don't want no diamonds, or rubies, I ain't looking for gold, houses or land. Just give me your love, give me the money to fly, just give me your love, a G5. I've been looking around. What in the world? What in the world? What in the world? What in the world? What in the world?
this is the finished product, guys. I used a total of 5 packs of hair. As always, all the details to the hair is in the description down below, so you guys can go and check Amazon Leeven hair store out. It's the first time I am doing a Bohemian Goddess braid, so I like the uniqueness of the hair. Also, I like how lightweight the hair is. It is easily to maintain, and it's giving me a little vibes. What do you all think of the hair? Remember to do all the good stuff, guys. The liking, the sharing, the commenting, and give your girl some love down below. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.
All I want houses of land. Give me the money to fly on the cheap vibe.